morning vlog. My coffee. It's morning. The sun is up. As you can see, it's finally up. So that means I need to get my solar stuff put outside because I already had to get up first thing this morning to plug in the camper cord so I could run my heater one more second. It like warmed up enough last night, but it was cold enough that I didn't set my heat low enough, if you can track that I ran out of battery at like 6:30 this morning, so I almost made it, but the heat must have just ran too much last night, and so I was out of battery. Not propane, just battery. So I have that plugged in. Yes, I'm wearing the same clothes as I did yesterday because I'm boondocking and nobody else is here. It's just me and the dog. So don't judge me. We don't like to do laundry around here prematurely. So we're gonna wear the same thing every day. Actually, maybe I'll put on new pants today. That'll be it. Let's see if I can find the babe. Oh, good morning, boobs. Good morning, boobs. Are you all tucked in? Oh my goodness, you look so comfy cozy. Oh, you're all stretched out. Yeah, good morning. Yeah. Oh, there goes the heat. Yum. What a beautiful start to my morning. Just getting to look at the babe and getting to listen to her cough right all over my sheets. It's my favorite thing. You're so pretty. You're so beautiful. I'd also like to do another update on this. I microwaved another one of these this morning to have with my coffee, and it's freaking delicious. Like, freaking delicious. I was not sure how my stomach would handle the one from yesterday because it does have some of that like fake sugar in it, the erythritol. I don't know, I'm not a scientist, and sometimes, you know, that messes with your stomach, but I think because I had it for breakfast and then I ate normal food for the rest of the day, it didn't bother my stomach at all. But I think if you like went in on these and had like more than one a day, you'd probably get a stomach ache. You know, like the sugar-free candy from back in the day that we all had and found out that it hurts your stomach really bad. Maybe that was just me and my household growing up, but these are so good. And I actually posted about them on my Instagram story, and someone said this company has Pop-Tarts and stuff, so of course I followed them, and now I'm gonna have to try to find the Pop-Tarts. Okay, anyways, now I want another one after I just said I shouldn't have more because it'll hurt my stomach. I'll make a regular lunch again today. So yeah, let's go set up this solar stuff. And then I'm just going to show you really quick the Starlink. So that's obviously how I get internet out here, and I keep that charged via the Bluetti, and I leave it out all the time, but this is how I keep it from getting stolen, is I run it through my trunk in one side and out the other, and then into the camper. So is this going to prevent everyone from stealing it? Probably not, but if they have to cut the cord to take the actual like satellite part, it's not going to work. So there's that. Hello again. Oh my goodness. What happened to my hair? Anyways, you just saw my lunch, but I haven't filmed anything since lunch because I was working. I had a sponsored video that you guys have already seen that I had to film today. So I was editing that, uploading that, get that sent to my brand manager so she could send it to the brand and get that done. So I was working and now it is 4:15. Anyways, I'm trying to drink some more water. I feel like I'm super dehydrated. And I'm debating whether I want to make dinner now or wait like an hour and maybe take Pippa for a WALK. But I'm kind of like zombie brain right now since I've been working. So we'll see. I don't really have much else now to do because that video was the last one I have to do for a while. So I'm kind of home free on work stuff other than this, but I like doing Vlogmas and it's been so much more chill since I started Vlogmas so early. Anyways, what else? Oh, I have prescriptions tomorrow. I need to go pick up at the pharmacy because my doctor, who hates me, called them in, even though she said she wasn't going to call them in because I'm in Colorado and I'm not in South Dakota. And she keeps pretending every time I need a prescription refill that you can't call them in across state lines. And sometimes you can't, depending on where you are, but I know the states that it works, and it works in Colorado and it also works in Arizona. So she's about to be pissed next month when I do it in Arizona. So, oh well. And if she really says no, I can get them shipped to me, but I don't like doing that because obviously it takes a long time. And it's more expensive. So yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna have to unhook the camper. Finally, it's been hooked up for like 3 days. So I can go into town and get my prescriptions and then maybe get like lunch out or something just to have a little change of scenery happening. And then I'm gonna have like bed day. So you may not get a full video about tomorrow because if you don't know what bed day is something I've adopted and it's basically where you just actively rest all day in bed. So I'll probably just stay in bed and watch Survivor. So yeah, so we'll see what I decide to do on that. Anyways, oh, it's Halloween in real life today. Happy Halloween. What else? I got nothing. Today's been a work / boring / the day has escaped from me. So yeah, I'm going to probably watch the rest of the episode I'm on Survivor and take the babe for a WALK. She's up here sleeping. She got some of her drugs today, so she's a little tired. And then make dinner and go to bed. So I'll film some of that, of course, but I'm sure this video won't have an ending, so I'll just say it now. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!